Hi, welcome to this video. My name is Usman Awan, and in my previous video I told different ways to rank your Fiverr gig by optimizing the keywords in the title, in the description, in the keywords tag. But a lot of people got confused about the keyword research, and they asked me that how can they find the related keywords for the service which they are going to sell on Fiverr. So I decided to make this short video to tell you the easiest way to find the related keywords for your gig. So let's start the demonstration. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do, you need to open the fiverr.com and in the search bar type something which you are going to sell on Fiverr. For example, if I say that I'm going to make a gig about on-page SEO, then what I will do, I will write on-page SEO and search it. And in this page, you will see Fiverr show a lot of gigs related to this keyword. But in the top, you will see that Fiverr show a list of the related keywords. Now we have to see that which of them are related to our service. For example, if I see the first keyword, which is off-page SEO, so basically this is related to my keyword, but this is opposite to the service which I am offering. So I will not use this keyword. So the first keyword is on-page SEO, and let's open the Word document and let me write all the keywords. Okay, the first keyword is on-page SEO. The second keyword is SEO service. This is also related. The third keyword is Yoast, which is a WordPress plugin for SEO optimization. And the fourth keyword is meta tags. Okay, both of them are related. The fifth keyword is classified ads, which is not exactly related to my service, so I'm not gonna use it. The next keyword is Shopify, which is the e-commerce CMS, and the next one is keyword research. Both of them are related to my service, so I'm gonna use them. Okay, so I got a list of 6 keywords, and the next step is to write a title for the Fiverr gig which will contain all of these keywords. So let's say if I write I will do on-page SEO, meta tags and keyword research for Yoast and Shopify. Okay, if you see this title, you know this title contains all of the above mentioned keywords. So now when people will search on-page SEO, this keyword is part of my gig. SEO service, it's part of my gig. Yoast, meta tags, Shopify, keyword research, all of these keywords are part of my meta title. And next thing, in the keywords of your gig, you also need to use on-page SEO, you need to use meta tags, you need to use Yoast SEO, you can use Shopify SEO, and you can use keyword research, right? And also in the gig description, you have to work on this keyword, you have to explain this keyword, you have to explain these services. So if you will do this and if you will optimize for these keywords, your gig will perform better in the Fiverr search results. So this was the easiest way to find the related keywords, and I hope you will like this video. So please share it with the people. Thank you very much.